Hi, my name is Kumaran Ramamurthi, and I'm leading the MVP track, that's Molecular Biology and Physiology, at ASM Microbe 2018, June 7 through 11 in Atlanta, Georgia. Researchers in the MVP track aim to achieve a detailed mechanistic understanding of microbial life at the molecular and cellular level. The various subtracks incorporate genetic, biochemical, biophysical, structural, and computational approaches to understanding gene regulation, metabolism, and the cell biology of bacteria, fungi, and phages. Several highlights in the MVP track at this year's meeting include plenary sessions on going beyond the central dogma of molecular biology, another on intracellular signaling with small molecules, and one that highlights advances in microbial imaging techniques, all the way from molecules to communities. In addition, excellent afternoon symposia include ones on regulating the ribosome in RNA polymerase, bacterial organelle morphogenesis, molecular evolution in bacteria, phage biology, and molecular systems and biological conflicts, and many more. Of course, you won't want to miss these several excellent Track Hub lectures that describe, in a more interactive setting, the use of preprints for microbiology publications, practical considerations for starting your own cryo-EM project, a new NCBI database for genome annotation, and a chat with new assistant professors about how they landed an academic position. To register and learn more about the Molecular Biology and Physiology track, visit asm.org/gomicrobe. I look forward to seeing you in Atlanta in June.